Volkswagen has a strong focus on its electric ID cars at the moment, and over the next few years, you can expect to see more of these models debut. This is the all-new and last ever Volkswagen Passat. The brand will be killing off its executive model after this generation, and it's now maybe available as a practical estate or sedan. There's also an all-new plug-in hybrid engine, using a 1.5-litre petrol engine paired to an electric motor. It can manage 62 miles on electric power alone, almost double the range of the outgoing car. There are also a couple of pure petrol options, and those who are still after a diesel are also catered to.